Hi, my name is Nazir Ahmed and I am here for you another tutorial how to make a sticky header on Elementor for free. So let's begin. So we need two plugins, Elements Kit Lite plugin and Sticky Header Effects for Elementor. We need these two plugins. So we need to go to our dashboard, then click on Elements Kit, then click on Header Footer. After that, we need to click on Add New, and after that we need to give our title. I will give it Header, then click on Activate, turn it on, then click on Save Changes. So after that, we need to click on Edit and click on Edit Content. So let me make a menu. So then click on Add Elements Kit Template, then go to Sections and choose any of the header from here. So let me check it. So I will choose this one. Okay, I will insert it here, and after that I need to insert a menu here. So I will insert a menu here. So I don't have a logo, so I will keep it as it is. So let me remove it for now. So I will keep it as it is. So then I will update this. So let's see our header. So you can see here is our header. So it's not sticky. So I have to make it sticky. So just click on here, then go to advanced section, then scroll down and then click on sticky header effects and then turn it on. After that, click on update and you can see here is our sticky header. So you can see it now. Here is our sticky header. So you can give it a background color or whatsoever you want. So let's go to style and click on background and click on background tab. So let's make it little bit, let's make it, just give me a minute. Let's make it like this and click on update and then click on here again. So you can see here is our sticky header. So you can give it any color you want. So here is our sticky header. So we can play with this style section. So we can give it a border if we want. So if we can give it a solid, so you can see here is our border. So we can go to the layout section, we can go to the advanced section and change the motion effects, anything we want. So these are pro sections, so let's leave it. So we can go to the responsiveness, we can play with this around as you want. So you can see here is our border, here is our background overlay. So let's give it a color here. So you can see, here it is. So let's update this and again click on here. Thank you so much for watching this video.